Pie Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today we got a confetti pop and the box. And there's actually a hack where on the right hand side right here, but with the box facing towards you, the two balls right here are said to be gold or rare or ultra rare. So this was a pretty new box, and one of these balls were attacked right here in the side. So we're not sure if this one is, but we're pretty sure that this one is a gold ball. Now let's get started and see if the hacks really work. Okay, here, 35 to collect. And 9 surprises, which the other one was like about 7, I think. And this was 9, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Ah, super hard to open. Oh, yeah, I guess we're starting off like this. So excited. First, L.O.L. Series 3. Oh god. Okay. Oh, hi, cutie pie. Okay. Catwalk. Right here. Aw, that's so cute. Okay, let's put it right here. Wow, this is kind of like string cheese. So it's just not that fun. Okay. Oh, hi, cutie pie. I guess she's helping. Ah, oh my god, cutie pie. Cutie Pie is excited because this is like one of her favorite videos to do. It's her favorite toys. Oh my god. Oh, let me see. Ooh, there's color change, spit, cry, or tinkle. And there's a mystery. Oh, I can't wait to see what that is. Hopefully we'll get it soon or right now. Whew. Okay, now, where is it? Okay, here it is. Look, the little zippers are getting smaller. Oh, look what we have here. Ooh, what does it say? No, it's just like L.O.L language or something. Okay. Ooh. Oh god. I missed open both of these. Open! Oh, cutie pie, you broke it! But I think that's supposed to go like that, so. Ooh, this is actually kind of fun. Ah, never mind. Ah, let's just take them off. It's a little easier to pull them out. Ah, cutie pie, use your little fingers. Think them out. Go, cutie pie. Okay, I'm just gonna help you. Oh, okay. Now let's open this one. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my god. Ooh, here's a string. Oh, it's so cute. It's like blue, and here is the cutest zipper in the world. Oh! Okay, here's another one. Is there any more? Because I want to open the rest before we pop it. Before we pop it, let's see what's in here. Surprise inside. Yay.
I did.
Wait, I want to open this one. Okay. Woo! What do we get? Anything fall? There's nothing in here. Oh, there's. Oh, we got a little beaky. Oh, that's so cute.
Hey, darling.
Oh, well, thank you. Open this one. Let's say anything. Surprise inside. Yay. Open this one. Oh my god. Oh, it's like a little gold up top and it's hot pink at the bottom. That is super duper cute.
Pink.
Hey, we got others to open. Look. Hey, ah! Okay, right here.
I don't have room.
Well, I'm trying to get this one, but it won't budge. Oh, look at this outfit! Oh, it's so cute. The top and the bottom, dark pink and light pink, and here is really light pink down here. Okay. Oh, look at that little baby shade. That's super cute. Okay, any more? This one too. Open it. Oh, where is it? Oh, here's a shoe. Oh, look at that shoe. It's super, super cute. It has a little pom-pom right here. Oh, here's another one. Exactly the same. Hi, so now we're going to spin it. I don't know why, but we're going to spin it. Okay.
Okay, give me two over, okay? No sauce, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was cool. Okay, we have to pick up our mess now. Okay, now that was cool / fell. Okay, now I want to open this one first. Oh, look at this little bandana. It has a cute little pink feather on it. It has gems too. Super cute. Okay, now let's open this up. Let me out of here. Oh, she's super. Why is she doing the splits?
Hey, baby.
Oh, she's super cute. Look at her fishnet stockings. Okay, here's her pink hair with little bun bumps made with braids, her blush, and that cute little beauty mark. And I love her eye color. She also has gloves too.
Hey, baby.
Now let's see who she got. Who we got? Oh, she's right here. She's Shell Baby, and she's just a fabulous comment girl. Well, this was an epic fail, but let's put it together. This is the hot water.
It's hot.
Okay, I don't see any difference about her. Nothing. Okay, let's put her in the cold water now. Nope, nothing. I think her gloves got a little darker, but I'm not sure. Okay, now let's get her all dressed. Ooh, she's so cute. Okay, here, her feather hat. Here, her little bun braids, her gloves, her pacifier, her 2-piece, and her cute little shoes. Okay, now let's take off her pacifier and let's see what she does. What's she doing? Oh no, she's a crier! We got another crier. I was hoping we get the mystery one, but still, she's so cute. Maybe she's crying because she's nervous about the show. I don't know. But she is super cute. And let's see. This right here is, I want to show you this. It's L.O.L surprise, and yeah, it has a cute little keychain. I wonder where it goes. Okay, here. Nope. Anyways, this was super fun. She is super cute. And if you know how to put this together, tell me in the comments. And bye-bye, my little pies.